or this is Algebra 2, Chapter 7, Section 6, Natural Logs. So, we know that like log base 10 of x equals y, right? We can say the inverse. The inverse would be like 10 to the y equals x, right? These are inverses. This also applies to natural logs. Remember we talked about natural logs or exponential functions with the base e, right? E to the x equals y. The inverse of that would be ln, natural log. We would say ln of y equals x. Ln of y is a way of doing natural log. So log of base e of x equals y, right? Instead of saying log base e, we say ln for a natural log. So natural log of x equals y. So the inverses that we've done before with log and base 10. So log base 10, right, of 10 equals 1, right? And then you raise 10 to the log of x equals, x. Same thing with natural log. So I can do ln of e equals 1, and I can raise e to the ln of x, and that equals x. These inverses are also applicable since it's natural log. And so we're going to do essentially the same properties with log with ln, with natural log. So here they want you to write this expression as one natural logarithm. So we have ln of 7 plus 2 ln of 5. I can rename this as ln of 7 plus 2, not 2, but plus ln 5 squared, right? The property of power logs. Then I can say ln of 7 times 5 squared. And that's 25 times 7. I could say that it's ln of 175. There's one natural logarithm. So the same thing that I've done with logs, I can do with ln. The same properties apply. For b, I have 3 ln x minus 2 ln of 2x. So that's going to be ln x to the third minus ln 2x squared. So that's ln x to the third minus ln 4x squared, okay, which is ln x to the third divided by 4x squared. can say x over 4. And then the other one, we have 3 ln of x plus 2 ln of y plus ln of 5. So that's ln x to the third plus ln y squared plus ln 5. So that'd be ln 5x cubed y squared. Okay, so every rule that applies to properties that we talked about with log works with natural log. Okay. All right, solving natural logarithm equations. So for 2a we have ln x is equal to 2. We're going to raise both sides to e. So e to the ln of x equals e squared. E and ln cancels out, so I got x equals e squared. And e squared is 7.39. For 2b, we have ln 3x plus 5 squared equals 4. I'm going to raise both sides to the e, so that's e ln 3x plus 5 squared equals e to the 4th power. Again, that cancels on that side, so I have 3x plus 5 squared equals my mistake. Yeah, that's right. I did it right. Equals e to the 4th. So then I have 3x plus 5 squared equals e to the 4th. Okay, so I'm going to square root both sides. So I would put this to the 1/2, put this to the 1/2. That cancels. And I got 3x plus 5 equals, the square root of anything gives me two answers, positive or negative, so I have plus or negative e squared. And so I have to solve it with for two different scenarios. So we would do, for scenario number 1, 3x equals e squared minus 5. Then divide both sides by 3, so that would be over 3. So the next would be e squared minus 5 over 3, or we would have negative e squared. So then it would be x is equal to negative e squared minus 5 over 3. Alright, so let's see what that gives us. So e squared minus 5 divided by 3, and that gives me 0.7964, and then negative e squared minus 5 divided by 3, and I get 4.13. No, let's say 2. Yeah, 4.13. Okay, so we would have to, check our answers, plug them into the initial, and then see if they work. So if I was to plug it into here, I have ln of 3 times 0.7964 plus 5 squared, and that should equal 4. Alright, so 3 times and I get really close, so 3.31, but if I had to extend it all the way out, I probably would get really close to 4. And then negative 4.13 times 3 and then 4, negative 4.13, I get about 4. So it looks like it works for this one, not so much for that guy. So that looks like an extraneous solution. Okay. And then for C, we have ln of 2x plus ln of 3 equals 2. I'm going to combine these and say this is ln of 6x equals 2. Raise both sides to the power of e, and that would go. And I have 6x equals e squared. So x is equal to e squared over 6. And I get that x is equal to 1.23. Okay. Again, same properties for a natural log applies to a regular log, or regular log applies to natural log. Alright, so with e function, so e to the x minus 2 equals 12, I'm going to ln both sides, natural log both sides, ln x minus 2 equals ln of 12. that guy and that guy cancel, so I'm left with x minus 2 and then ln of 12. Add 2 to both sides, x is equal to ln of 12 plus 2. So I get 4.8, 4.48. And I can always plug it back in and check. So minus 2e to that, and you get 12. So it works. Okay, for b, I have 20 e to the negative x equals 20. Divide both sides by 2. I have e to the negative x equals 10. Then I can ln both sides. Ln e to the negative x equals ln, or e to the ln of 10. That goes, and I have negative x is equal to ln of 10. So x is equal to negative ln of 10. So x is equal to negative 2.30. So now 2.30, if we were to plug it in, okay. Next one. We have e to the 3x plus 5 equals 15. Subtract 5 from both sides, e to the 3x equals 10. Ln both sides. That goes, I have 3x equals ln 10 divided by 3x equals ln of 10 over 3. I get x is equal to 0.768. It works. Okay. So here we have this equation. It's the velocity of some rocket at a particular point. So v equals negative 0.0098 t for time, plus c, which is c said was some exhaust velocity of exhaust, ln of r, and r is the ratio of mass of the rocket filled with fuel to ratio without fuel. Alright, and I guess they want to know if the velocity is above 7.7, it will be able to escape the Earth's orbit. at 300 kilometers. So here, for this guy, they put the mass ratio, so R is equal to 15, exhaust velocity, C is equal to 20.1, and then time is equal to 30 seconds. Okay, so we plug those in. So V is equal to negative 0.0098 times 30 plus 2.1 times ln of 15. All right. And if it's greater than 7.7, then it can work. So this part is negative 2.94. That's going to be plus. So ln of 15 times 2.1. And this is 5.687. That's 68691. I was going to take away 2.94. And I get that the velocity is 2.74, which is less than 7.7, because 7.7 is the thing has to be above. So since it's less than 7.7, then we would say no, it won't. It won't reach the maximum velocity needed. So nope. Okay. All right, you guys. That is that section. Hope you have a great rest of your day.